Greatness actually begins at the moment that you decide to take a single step towards achieving your goal. There's a whole bunch of auto repair shop owners that are going to see this video, and some of them won't even have made it this far. Some will watch for the first few minutes, some might get halfway through, some will make it all the way to the end, some will just scroll on past. For those that did make it to the end, they will have decided at the start of this video that there was something that they wanted to pick up from it. Their thinking was different to the one that just decided to scroll on past. You don't just arrive at being great. You become great first through your thinking. It's your thinking that leads to your great actions. To be great, you have to put yourself in the arena. Now, it was American President Theodore Roosevelt that said more than 100 years ago, it's being in the arena that counts. The great news is that you can actually get into the arena today on a Sunday. And you don't have to go into your auto repair shop to get started. Just by changing the way you think about how you will achieve success in your auto repair shop can make all the difference. And we have people that come into our engine room coaching program for auto repair shop owners who come in and they want to know everything all at once. They want to know all the things that are going to help them and get them quick fixes so that, you know, all of this change and greatness can happen all at once. And it's just not the way it works. It's about a change in thinking and then small steps. So do you need to stop thinking that you're just a mechanic and you don't know how to run a business? How about instead you think, I'm an awesome mechanic and I'm in the process of learning how to run an awesome business. Slight change in thinking makes all the difference. Greatness can start right here, right now. What's the one tweak that you can make right now in your thinking that will put you in the arena straight away? What habit can you adopt or change or even delete that often repeated will be great?